the questions
Let's
here
go
for
to
Dale.
some of them because really one of the things that we're seeing a lot, Dale, and a lot of questions we got, so we're all in this together. There's a lot of people feeling a great deal of hopelessness about what to do in their homes. And I just want to start with Debbie out in California, Paris, California. She says, my husband and I are upside down on our home. It was appraised for over $400,000 2 years ago. It is now valued at somewhere between $150,000 to $175,000, so about half. We owe $300,000 on the home. What should we do? Do we refinance, ask for a loan modification? Is there any hope for us at all?
You can't refinance, though, if you're upside down, can you, if you owe more than the home is worth?
You cannot. The best program out there today is the Hope for Homeowners program. That is a 97%, and we can talk about that because there's some things about that you need to be careful with. But FHA has a program today that will go 97% of the value of your home with no cash out, 95% with cash out. In this situation, that's not going to help. For people in this kind of a situation, really what you need to do first is try to keep that mortgage current if you can, and hope to ride this wave out as long as possible, because what happens with loan modifications, they're really designed for those who are in trouble, who are delinquent, who can't make their mortgage payments, not those who can right now. That's really what those programs are for. So if you're upside down, there's really only two choices you have right now. One is to ride it out as it is. The second is to take that home and rent it and rent somewhere else, but you're not going to gain anything in doing that. I hear a lot of people trying to move into that, and that just doesn't make sense because you're not going to end up with a surplus when you do it.
So ride it out, keep making the payments.
Ride it out, keep making the payments until the market gets better.
Right. And if not, then is Hope for Homeowners an option if you suddenly find yourself as being one of those people that, 1 month, 2 months goes by and you haven't paid your mortgage?
Yeah, for those who are in trouble, what they need to do first and foremost is contact their lender. That's the very first step.
So be honest with it. Be upfront.
Yeah, because they'll talk to you, right?
Absolutely.
They'll work with you.
The lenders don't want to foreclose. It's way too costly for them to foreclose. They really want to help homeowners out today, and there's lots of homeowners getting things fixed. So what you want to do is approach your lender, find out what are my options. Is there any way you can lower my rate and lower my payments on a loan modification because I can't make them today?
So really quick, I just want to follow up with that with Debbie. If she went to whoever's holding her mortgage right now, and she said, "This is my situation. I'm worried about this," and she gets kind of shut down by the person that's holding her mortgage. Does she shop it around? Does she cold call another bank or another mortgage lender and see what they could offer her?
No, because they won't be able to help her in a traditional refinance because she doesn't have the equity in the home. The only resource will be her lender.
Okay.
The key to that is keep that mortgage current, because once you go delinquent, your options start to limit quite a bit.